Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solution of A and B. So now I will show you the answer. Question A. They want to find the product cost in terms of T. So we have QT in here. So we just put 20T into Q and we have CT equals to 20T everything to the power of 2 plus 20T plus 500. So we got about 400 T square plus 20T and 500. That's the first one. Now we go to the second one. Author's budget allows no more than 4,000 for production. So we put about 4,000 in CT in here. The question they should not more than 4,000, so we need to use this side in here, and we put about 400 T square plus 20T plus 500. So we put 4,000 on the left, on the right. So we got about 0 is smaller than 400 T square plus 20T minus 3,500, and we got the final answer. You will got about negative 2.933 smaller than T, and T is smaller than this is wrong. This is about negative 2.983, and this is about 2.933. But on the first one we have the boundary in here, so we just have like this. So in this situation we cannot reach more than 2.933 hours, and this is the answer for question B. That's the end. Thank you for watching.